Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In the previous video, we discussed how to download and install the software from the internet. But today, we're going to see how to open the software and register your business for a 15-day trial. Let's get started. Once you've installed the software, you'll notice two icons on your desktop. 1. Database Runner. 2. eSales Analyst. Now to start the software, double-click on the Database Runner and guess what? It will start running at the bottom of your screen, which means, yes, the software is now ready. Now comes the main part. To open the software, double-click on the eSales icon, and boom, your software is open. How to start with a 15-day trial? When you go to the point of sale, you'll see a predefined database with thousands of products, including company names, prices, and more. But what if you want to start fresh? No worries, you can go for a 15-day trial by clicking on Want 15 Days Trial. Fill in your business details. 1. Username. Choose any username you like. For example, let's go with admin. 2. Full name. Enter your full name or your business name, whichever you prefer. 3. Email. Provide your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, or any email account you have. 4. Business name. Be careful here. Whatever name you enter will be used everywhere in billing, agreements, and more. 5. Description. What's your business about? A departmental store, a crockery shop, or maybe an herbal and grocery store? You can also add a business slogan here. 6. Address. Enter your complete business address, make sure it's correct. 7. Business category. Define your business type. Press Control Space and guess what? You'll see a list of available categories. Pick one or type your own. Let's go with General Store. 8. NTN number. If your business is registered, enter your NTN, National Tax Number here. 9. Registration number. Got your business legally registered? Enter the registration number. 10. Country. Enter the name of your country. For example, let's type Pakistan. 11. Phone number. Add a valid phone number. This you can enter up to 3 numbers and they'll be printed on your invoices. 12. Extra text, optional. Want to add any English text to be printed on invoices? Here's your chance. 13. Password. Create a strong password and remember it. You'll need it to log in, almost there. Now, click on the Save button and you'll see a message pop up. Your record has been saved. Okay, but wait, one last thing. If you used capital letters, make sure you enter them exactly the same way because guess what? The software is case sensitive. Finally, click on Login, and yes, the software is now open and ready to use. That's all for today's video. In the next one, we'll dive deeper into other features, so stay tuned. Until then, bye-bye.